Hey there guys, Chris here, and in this video we will discuss Systeme.io. Systeme.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that helps businesses and entrepreneurs manage their online presence and sales funnels. It's a powerful tool that helps you create and manage your website, email marketing campaigns, and sales funnels all in one place. In this tutorial, we will discuss the basics of Systeme. First, we'll show you how to get started with the platform, followed by an overview of the dashboard. Finally, we'll walk you through the process of adding products to your account, which is a crucial step in setting up your sales funnel and making sales. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Systeme.io, the first step is to create an account, and you will find that link down below in the description. So click on the first link you find, and this will take you to the correct homepage. When you sign up with that link, I'll send you my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, like the project management template, which provides all the tools you need to stay organized and drive project success. They're worth over $100, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it is an affiliate link. When you use it, I do make a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Get My Free Account button at the top right side. Click on this to start registering for a new account. Next, enter your email address and click on the Get My Free Account button to proceed. This will send a confirmation email to your inbox, and open that inbox and click on the confirmation link that has been sent to you. This step is important to verify your email address. Once your email is verified, you'll be asked to create a new password, and this will help to keep your account secure. After creating your password, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This is the central hub of your Systeme.io account, where you can access all the features and tools you need to manage your online business. The dashboard is the central hub of your Systeme.io account, where you can manage your online business with ease. At the top, you'll see a menu with a main tab that gives you access to all the features and tools that you need. Let's take a closer look at each tab. The Upgrade tab takes you to a page where you can explore advanced features and plans that offer more than basic functionalities. The Dashboard tab is where you'll find an overview of your online business. There are three types of dashboards: the main dashboard, affiliate dashboard, and marketplace dashboard. The main dashboard gives you a bird's eye view of new leads and live updates. The affiliate dashboard shows you your earnings, commissions, payments, leads, and invoices. The marketplace dashboard is where you can browse, purchase, or sell products. The contacts tab is where you can access the contacts section and tags section. In the contacts section, you can manage your leads, customers, or subscribers. You can even view contact lists, add or import contacts, and even filter contacts by clicking on the filter icon next to the Create Contact button. The tag section is where you will create and organize tags for your contacts. Tags help you categorize your contacts, making it easier to manage them. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with all of you. I've developed top-notch templates that streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of the video and check it out. All right, back to the video. The Funnels tab is where you can create and manage your sales and marketing funnels. A funnel is the journey you design for your prospects to turn them into customers, which may include landing pages, email campaigns, and product pages. This is where you can visualize and optimize your customer journey. The Emails tab is divided into three sections: newsletters, campaigns, and statistics. Newsletters is where you create and manage email lists, send out broadcast emails, and track their performance. Campaigns allow you to set up automated email sequences, also known as autoresponders. Statistics give you an overview of your email performance, helping you understand what's working and what needs improvement. The Blogs section is where you can manage your blog posts, draft new content, publish articles, and possibly moderate comments. This is where you can share your expertise and connect with your audience. The Automation section is where you can see rules and workflows. Rules allow you to set up actions based on specific triggers, such as sending an email when a contact subscribes to your list. Workflows, which are more advanced than rules, allow you to create multi-step automations that can perform various actions. This is where you can automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow. The Products tab is where you can manage your physical products, orders, coupons, courses, and communities. Physical products are tangible items that you can sell through your online store. Orders is where you can see your orders placed by customers, process refunds, and track shipping. Coupons allow you to create discounts for specific products or on your entire store. Courses is where you can create and manage online courses to sell to your audience. Communities is where you can set up a membership site or private community for your customers. The Sales tab is where you can manage your transactions, subscriptions, affiliate invoices, and your affiliate program. This is where you can keep track of your sales and revenue. The Help tab typically links to a support area where you can access help pages, video tutorials, and customer support. This is where you can find answers for your questions and get help when you need it. Finally, the Profile tab is where you can manage your profile settings, security, and you can log out from here. This is where you can update your personal information and account settings. Now that you're familiar with the dashboard, let's move ahead and show you how to add a product in Systeme.io. Adding a product in Systeme.io is a very simple process. To get started, head over to the Products tab and hover over it. Then click on the Physical Products option, which will take you to a page where you can manage your physical products. Since we're adding a new product, click on the Create button at the top right side of the page. This will take you to a form where you can provide detailed information about the product you're adding. First, enter the name of the product, which will be visible to customers and should be descriptive of the product that you're selling. Next, write a detailed description of the product, informing potential customers about what the product is, its features, its benefits, and any other important information. Each SKU is typically unique to the product and possibly its specific variant, such as size or color. After that, enter the product tax rate, which is the tax percentage that applies to the product. This might be a percentage that is calculated based on the product price during a sale. Next, select the currency in which you want to sell your product from the drop-down menu. You can set the price that customers will pay for your product in the Price section. This is the amount that will be charged to your customers when they buy your product. The Inventory section helps you to manage how many products you have in stock. You can check the box that says Limit Stock for this product and enter the maximum number of products you have available. This ensures that you don't sell more products than you actually have in stock. In the Media section, you can upload pictures or other media related to your product. It's best to use PNG or JPEG format for your images and make sure they are square-shaped, a 1:1 aspect ratio. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or other variations, you can check the box in the Options section. This will likely bring up additional fields or a new section where you can describe the different options available for your product. At the bottom of the page, you'll find two options: Cancel and Save. The Cancel button likely discards any changes you've made to the product information, while the Save button saves the product information to your Systeme.io store. Since we've provided all the necessary details, we'll click the Save button to store the product in Systeme. This will ensure that the product is added to your store and is ready to be sold to customers. You can repeat this process for each product that you want to add. All right, and that is it for the tutorial on how to use Systeme.io. I hope you found this video useful and you learned something new. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will always do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thank you for watching, and take care.